Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Valeton GP-100 effects pedal and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for kind of two different reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this effects pedal will not respond, it's not responding, or it keeps freezing, or it is frozen, or if it's not working or not connecting, any kind of troubleshooting issues can very often be fixed with a hard reset. The other reason is if you just want to clear out all of the configurations and everything that you've put it in, we can go ahead and get a fresh start with a new pedal by restoring the factory default settings. We're going to use this wheel right here, which we're going to turn to go through the options, and then we're going to press it to select. So we're going to go from the main menu. Then we're going to turn the wheel until we get to the global menu. From the global menu, we're going to hit OK, and then we're going to scroll down. We're going to turn this till we get to the factory default settings. We're going to hit this to select. It'll take us through a couple of confirmation screens where we'll have to turn the wheel to yes, hit select, and then it will factory reset. We'll actually see it over here as it goes through its process, and it will be restored to its factory default settings.